Forget what they told you. Arbitrage trading is still one of the best way to take an advantage of cryptocurrency in 2026 because of the fact that it keeps your capital intact irrespective of the conditions of the market. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through on how to use a very simple strategy to achieve a very decent result in arbitrage trading. So stick around, hit the like button for me. Let's get straight into the video. And before we get in, always keep in mind that arbitrage trading really lies on spotting the opportunity. Because matter of fact, without spotting the opportunity, there is no way that the arbitrage trading is going to even take place at all in the first place for the profit to even be made. So spotting the opportunity itself plays a very significant role, and that is why I'll be using a very simple yet most effective strategy to show you how this is done properly so that you could achieve something out of it. And keep in mind, all of this is not guaranteed. Cryptocurrency in general is subjected to a lot of risks, so always try to do more thorough research before taking any decision financially based off of any educative video you come across. So having put out that disclaimer out of the way, let's get straight into the video and let me guide you through the process. So first thing first, in spotting of this opportunity, we will need to use an application, by the way. And the application I'll be making use of to achieve this is going to be obviously coinmarketcap.com, the almighty coinmarketcap.com. Due to the fact that I prefer using CoinMarketCap in some scenarios, although I'd share a strategy based off of DEX screener. That one is pretty very risky, so try to stick to like CoinMarketCap if you do not understand how to take risks in arbitrage trading. And that is pretty much not the main aim of arbitrage trading, because for a fact arbitrage trading wasn't meant to be exposing yourself that much to a lot of risks. It was meant to be done in a very considerable manner. So that's the more reason I do advise majority of my students to stick to coin market cap you know strategy, because it will keep your capital intact irrespective of the condition of the market. Why I'm saying this is that I see a lot of people wanting to like get a lot of money like quickly in arbitrage trading. They want to like get rich quickly in arbitrage trading. Arbitrage trading wasn't meant to give you a whole lot in a short interval. It was meant to give you like you know a very considerable amount. Then you can think of compounding that amount over time so that it can be resulted to a bigger amount. So always try to keep it very moderate. If you make like 4%, 5%, 3%, you can think of compounding it over time. Imagine that percent over a period of like 2 months or 1 month. That's some big gains. So try to keep it moderate. Don't go too aggressive so that you wouldn't get out too aggressive as well. So right now, we're going to be doing all of this based off of the Solana ecosystem in respect to DEX arbitrage trading. And by now, you all might have known the overall concept of this. All we do is to take an advantage of the different prices of a particular cryptocurrency in two various different decentralized exchanges, and I'll be showing you how to do that in this same video. So stick around. If you haven't hit the like button, consider doing that and subscribing to the channel so that you wouldn't get to miss our subsequent videos like this. So having said that, let's quickly head on to the market. So quickly open up coinmarketcap.com and navigate towards the Solana ecosystem section. Although some people do use BSC ecosystem, like we have a lot of ecosystem like Tron, we have Ethereum, we have Base, we have Arbitrum, we have there are hundreds, Polygon, there are hundreds if not thousands of them. But from my research, I found out that Solana ecosystem is the cheapest among all of them. It is one of the cheapest among all of them, and it also has a very swift execution, and the liquidity there is very huge, very predominant, and it is currently trending. It is among the top 5 ecosystem that is trending currently. So that's the more reason I'm sticking to Solana ecosystem in pretty much all of my arbitrage video. Although in the future we might think of using other ecosystem to check out and know how the opportunities looks like on there as well. But for the aspect of this video, let's stick to Solana. So quickly head on to Solana and let me show you how all of this is done. So once you click on Solana there, you get to realize that there are hundreds if not thousands of cryptocurrency you can pretty much choose from to do this. So I'm going to be using any one at all. Let's see how this is going to work. And before you pick anyone, make sure that the volume is pretty huge. Okay, try to look for the one that has a very decent volume. I do prefer going for the one that has like an huge volume. This will really signify the momentum we are looking for. So this one, as you can see, the volume is way over 11 million, which is not huge. So we're looking for like over 100 million in volume. This will clearly signify that huge liquidity we are referring to. So right now I'm going to look for other ones. Let us see if there will be one. And do also hit the like button as well if you're watching the video up till this moment. And if you haven't signed up for the mentorship is still ongoing. Quickly send a DM to the WhatsApp number in the description below, and I'll guide you through on how to be part of it. This will enable you to like see all of these in a more detailed way, and probably get signals along the line whenever we want to trade. Signals are always drop as well, and along the line you'll be learning how this is done from scratch. So right now, let us use any one. So this very one called WIF. As you can see, when we still try to look it up, this one, the volume is over 25 million, which is a little considerable. But anyways, let us now copy the contract. We're going to be using this very one. It has a very decent volume. Let us try to now scroll down and copy the contract of it. Okay, and here is the contract. So right after copying the contract there, we're going to be opening Phantom, so we can look up the different prices at which that particular cryptocurrency is being traded for. This will enable us to know where the differences is, and we'll get to like take the rightful decision by the way. So now we're going to now click on this page, because right now what we're doing is to make the comparison between the prices. This will enable us to know where the differences really lies. So at this point, you might have already connected your wallet. By the way, your wallet has to be connected on this section. So let's scroll down. As you can see, the price is at 1894. So 1894, that's on Jupiter. So now we're going to be using other decentralized exchange to know how the price looks like on there. This will enable us to know what to do exactly. And this very one is called Radium. There are also sites like pop.fun. We have some like we have lots of them, but these are the ones I'm most familiar with. That's the more reason I'm sticking to it. So we're going to be doing the same for this very one. And as you can see, the value there is at 0.002294. 0.002294. We're going to be checking that in Solana value 2294. That's going to give us 1897. So apparently this very one is trading at a much higher price. Meanwhile, the other one is at a lower price. That one was at 1894, if you had recall. So which practically means that we're going to be buying it on that other one, then we quickly sell it on here and retain the profit. That's how it's done. I do not want to do it practical because these things are pretty very sensitive and I don't want anybody to do what exactly I'm doing, like for real. So if you want to really get the practical aspect of it and knowing more about it in detail, the mentorship is open. You can send a DM. I will guide you through on how to get access to it.